don't play me no song at all. But if I played you a rock and roll song, how could it be fair if my head isn't there? So I'll leave you with your rock and roll songs. Look at it, I gotta make my way back towards the country. Still I can hear. Play me a rock and roll song. Don't give me music I don't wanna hear. Play me a rock and roll song. I should have stayed at home with a jug of root beer. There you go. Play me a rock and roll song, but don't play me no song at all. And a thrill to get to play with the Brothers Dubé. These guys rock.
Ladies and gentlemen, Voldy.
Cool. And I think we should finish off this show with something we can sing together here. How about a Christmas song? How about Who's Coming to Town? This is in the key of A. Give me an A. That's a Canadian audience if I've ever heard one, I'll tell you. Okay, here we go. Well, you better watch out. You better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, checking it twice, to find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping, he knows when you're awake, he knows if you bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Go Liam, here we go. He knows when you're awake, and he knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is, who's coming? Santa Claus is, who is it? Santa Claus is coming to town.
Thank you, Smith Falls.
Give it up, Smith Falls, for Voldy and Brothers Dubé. Thank you all for your warm hospitality and your generosity towards your neighbor and the community. That's the end of the show tonight. We're going to be having to depart soon and go and park and get ready for the second day of the tour tomorrow. So before the train leaves, I want to make sure that you're safe and you're paying attention to the tracks and especially the train. So when we're about to move, you'll hear two toots of the engine, and when you hear that, stand right back and be safe. And on behalf of the CPR and the whole Holiday Train family, happy holidays! Woo!